Is it your first time here? Do you want to learn 3D modeling and realistic rendering? Please click on the subscribe button and the bell to get notified for new uploads. Hi. My name is Moskarn Creations. In this video tutorial, it shows how to synchronize Archicad model with Twinmotion just in one click. So, keep on watching. Check below on the description for the link of Twinmotion Direct Link for Archicad, formerly Twinmotion Dynamic Link for Archicad. Please comment below for your request video, topic, question, or inquiry. Help me to reach 100 subscribers by clicking the subscribe button. To support our channel, please hit like and subscribe to get notified on the latest videos. Thank you for watching.